listeners. Myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are the largest and the most complex organic molecules. Firstly discovered by nucleic acids Friedrich Misser in 1871. Nucleic acid are macromolecules, means subunits of micromolecules found in the cell which precipitate in the storage, transmission and translation of genetic informations. Okay, nucleic acids are of two types: the ribose nucleic acid RNA and the deoxyribose nucleic acid DNA, which on hydrolysis yield the sugar ribose and deoxyribose respectively. Okay, nucleic acid were first isolated from the cellular nucleus, hence the name nucleic acids are macromolecules, hug polymers with molecular masses of over 100 millions. Functions of nucleic acid. Firstly, functions of DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid. DNA is a permanent storage place of genetic informations. DNA control the synthesis of RNA and the sequence of nitrogenous bases in DNA determines the protein development in new cells. Okay, next, the function of the double helix in formation of DNA is to ensure that no disorders occurs. This is because the second identical strands of DNA that runs antiparallel to the first is a backup in case of lost or destroyed genetic informations. Example is Down syndromes or sickle cell anemia. Next function of RNA, ribonucleic acids. RNA is synthesized by DNA for the transcriptions of genetic information to the protein building apparatus in the cell. RNA also directs the synthesis of new proteins using the genetic information it has transported. Messenger RNA is used to transfer genetic information through plasma membrane. Okay, nucleic acid carry out a vital role in the human body. A particular nucleic acid play an essential role in mitosis and meiosis, providing energy or cellular respiration. Mitosis and meiosis and providing energy. Mitosis, during cell division, the chromosomes contained inside the nucleus of the parent cell is duplicated. The two resulting daughter cells have identical genetic information to the parent cell. This is possible only through nucleic acid remarkable ability to create identical copies of itself. It is the only molecule known to have this ability. Mitosis is essential to life because it replaces damaged or dead cells, repair tissue and allow the body to grow. Okay, next, meiosis, another use of nucleic acids. Duplication ability is meiosis. Meiosis is the process in which sex cells are created. Without nucleic acids, meiosis would be impossible and so would reproduction, right? Next, providing energy. Nucleic acid can be used to create energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is formed with the nitrogenous base adenosine and ribose. Thank you.